this is Tasia from Linbay Machinery. Linbay is a manufacturer of roll forming machines in China, and now I'm in the workshop. Today I'd like to introduce this stepping roll forming machine. This machine is very popular in Mexico, and this production line consists of decoiler, roll forming machine, welding, and flying saw cutting. If you're interested, please stay with me to see more details. At the beginning of the roll forming machine, this is a feeding inlet. In this part, we can see 4 handwheels. Here for adjusting the feeding width of this machine, because this machine is designed to produce different sizes of step beams. When each size needs to be produced, we need to adjust the corresponding feeding width. It's very easy to operate. About the automatic movement, we have videos, and we also provide the menu. You can find all the process of operation on the menu. It's very convenient and easy to operate. All the rollers, shafts, and bearings we use are made by hard materials of very famous brands. All the rollers are processed to extend their service life. This machine can work 8 hours per day without any problem. Finally, in the rear section of the machine, we can see the flying saw cutting. The flying saw cutting means when cut the profiles, the roll former does not need to stop. It can increase the speed of the whole production line. The precision is controlled by an encoder. When we have a length error, we can correct it by the electrical cabinet. The specific operation steps can be found in the instruction manual, and because in this case the step beam profile is a kind of closed profile, so we must use saw cutting to prevent the deformation. That's all the information about this machine. If you are interested in this machine, please contact us by the information on the top right corner. In Beam Machinery, we are committed to provide the best machines and the best after-sales service. After we ship the machine, we will provide the installation video, the instruction manual, and also we can send an engineer to your factory. See you next time. Bye.